Hey, Prof. Bowie, it's Braden Lehue, and I decided to try something new this week and do the video reflection. Um, Overall, I would say the Scratch projects were challenging, but they were very enjoyable. I enjoyed doing every single one of them. How I would apply these Scratch projects to my future in children's ministry, um, there were two specific Scratch projects that made me think about this and actually gave me the idea to do this form of assignment. So the first one was I believe it was the puzzle, one of the puzzles where you would, like Scratch Cat would change colors depending on how much noise was in the room. I thought maybe like when I'm in children's ministry and I'm in my worship room and we're having children's church, maybe have make a scratch like that, and if the kids are getting too loud, then they'll notice they're getting too loud because Scratch Cat or another sprite will begin to change character colors. I just thought that was creative and could even be used in a classroom. And the second thing was we made all these games, and it got me to thinking about our Bible quizzing program here in the Nazarene Church. As a children's pastor, I'll most likely be involved in Bible quizzing. So I was thinking maybe I could use this, what I learned, and make a review game for our quizzers. That way, they're just learning and reviewing differently instead of just reading from the book. And I mean, it would be something new to them. I've never heard of something being done like that. I'm sure someone has. But I think it would be fun and creative and really fun for the kids to have a review game made on Scratch for them to play either at home or even compete with at church. Um, but these were just a few of the things that I believe I could use in my ministry in children's ministry, and I'm excited to use Scratch in the future. All right, thanks, Prof. Bowie. I hope you enjoyed it.